Hello, my favorite art students. It's Miss Friels. I sure hope you had fun with drawing an insect with me. I wanted to share my final project with you and show you how to write an artist statement. The artist statement is included in your homework packet. It is included on the Google Classroom as well. And an artist statement is basically like explaining to your audience a little bit more about your art, like what does it mean to you? How is it personal to you? And it kind of helps the viewer, the people who are looking at it, understand your art a little bit better and connect with it a little bit better. So here is my art that I did today. This is my insect. You can see I used some really bright colors. I added some flowers and some grass because it's springtime, and I was inspired by going outside and noticing all the insects and all the beautiful flowers. I have in your packet a sheet that looks like this. And if you're doing this on Google Docs, you can just type this into the blank screen and answer these questions, but you will find these questions posted on Google Classroom in the packet as well. The first one is, well, you can see, you put your name here. If you're doing it on Google Classroom, obviously you can just type right into the screen. But the first question I would like you to answer is, what is the name of your artwork? Now, maybe some of you have never really thought about naming your artwork. It's kind of like when you write a story. What is the title of your story? When you look at your artwork, what do you think of? My artwork, so you can see here we go. It's kind of, the sun's a little bright. My artist statement says, what is the name of your artwork? My name of my artwork is Sweet Insect in Spring. So that's like the title I gave it. Like I said, kind of like a story. The next question, you can see, I'll just leave this one up here. How did you create your artwork? So what kind of tools did you use? What kind of materials did you find? Or techniques? That means like what kinds of things did you learn in class that you used when you created this piece of art? So I used a pencil, a Sharpie, and some markers. I thought of using symmetry as I drew my insect. Now remember, symmetry is one of our art words of the week, one new art vocabulary word, and it means literally, if you were to draw a line down an object, it's the same on one side as it is the other. We learned this when we were doing our portraits. So if you pretend there's a line down Miss Friel's face, pretty much the same. My face on this side is about the same as my face on this side. Not really, because we're not perfect, but you get the idea. And so that's what I wrote for number 2. I used a pencil, a Sharpie, some markers. I thought of using symmetry as I drew my insect. The last question, what does this piece of art mean to you? Right? Does it mean anything to you? Well, hopefully all art means something to you. I mean, sometimes we just doodle and we draw just for fun and we're like, whatever, I don't even know what I just drew. But if you purposefully finish a piece of art, like something you're going to turn into me, for example, then it should mean something to you, even if it just means like, I had fun drawing an insect and now I learned how to draw an insect, and I'm going to maybe draw another insect drawing, or it motivated me to draw many insects, or I taught my little brother how to draw an insect, or whatever. My piece of art, let me show it to you again so you can remember. This piece of art, this is what I wrote. This art makes me feel happy. The colors are bright and spring is my favorite season. So this piece of art I created, I was thinking happy thoughts when I made it. I love to go outside. I love to look at all the insects and the flowers and everything that's blooming right now in the beautiful springtime. So that's an example of an artist statement. Try your best. Use your best spelling, your best writing. If you need your mom or dad or your big brother or your grandma to help you write it, that's totally fine with me. I just want you to sort of practice on writing an artist's statement. Okay, that's it for now. I miss you guys so much, and look for next week's assignment. Good luck.